Welcome to the CS160 programming tutorial. My name is Professor Settlemyer and I will be presenting the tutorials associated with this simple project. We're going to begin with an overview. Well, what's the purpose of this tutorial? Well, the purpose of the tutorial is to give you an in-depth example of what? Of how to apply the programming process that's presented in the Gaddis textbook to construct a fairly simple Java program, much like all the other ones you're going to see in CS160, for a programming problem to ones you're going to encounter throughout this semester. What are we going to use in this tutorial? Well, all tutorial materials can be found in the Tutorial 1 folder of your CS160 Blackboard site. If they're not present, please contact your instructor, or you can also contact me. You can contact me at sedlmeye@ipfw.edu. The materials that should be available include the tutorial project assignment, the Eclipse project archive containing the program solution that we are going to create, a zip file of Gaddis case studies. These case studies are sprinkled throughout the textbook to give you some insight into how various Java features are used together. And finally, all the videos that are associated with this tutorial will be in the Tutorial 1 folder. I'm making several assumptions. For you to make good use of this tutorial, you have to be familiar with program preparation and execution using the Eclipse Java environment. So you need to know how to create an Eclipse Java project, how to add a class to that project, how to edit code in the main method, and once that's there, how to execute the program. Secondly, you must have completed lab exercises involving Java features from at least chapters 1 and 2 of the Gaddis textbook. In particular, you should be familiar with keyboard input using the scanner class, console output using system.out.println and print. You should be familiar with the assignment statement, including arithmetic expressions involving plus, minus, times, divide. You need to know about operator precedence, the order of evaluation. You should be familiar with methods of the math class, also with the data types int and double, as well as the string class. Also, you need to read the tutorial programming assignment found in the tutorial project assignment file. That's in Tutorial 1 folder of your 160 Blackboard site. You should give that a very thorough and careful reading before plunging in to the rest of the tutorial. Here's the outline of our tutorial videos. First, we're going to review the steps of the programming process that are found in Chapter 1 of the Gaddis textbook. Secondly, we're going to discuss the structure and content of a typical programming assignment with the focus on the assignment we're going to be addressing in this tutorial. Third, we're going to discuss, well, what do you need to understand about the programming assignment in order to be successful in completing it? Fourth, we're going to see how to apply the programming process to construct a program that addresses all the requirements of the programming assignment. Finally, we're going to construct the Java program, and we're going to construct this program in a piecemeal fashion. We're going to actually construct it using 9 iterations. And by an iteration, I mean we're going to construct 9 different versions of this Java program. Each version is going to get us a little closer to the complete solution. Next, we'll review the programming process.